Hello everyone, myself Lokesh studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering in first year CSE Cybersecurity, and today's subject is Introduction to Python Programming, and today's topics is list. What are the list and what are the effective techniques for working with the list, what are the data types and etc. First, what is list? First, introduction to the list data type. In this presentation, we will explore list data types and their significance in programming. Lists are versatile structure that allows for effective data management. We will cover effective techniques to master the list, enhancing your ability to manipulate and utilize them in various applications. It means here in this presentation, we will see what are the list data types, their significance, how we can use the list, what are the effective techniques or to modify or re-alter the list according to our wish. Next, understanding the list. Lists are the ordered collection of items that can hold various data types. They are mutable. Lists are the ordered collection of items that are mutable. Mutable means which can be modified or altered. Understanding how to create, access, and modify list is crucial for effective programming and handling. Understanding the to create the list and accessing the list through indexing or such methods and modifying the list that is mutable is crucial for programming. Creating the list. First, need to understand how to create a list. We know that list is a ordered collection of items. First, we should create the list by using a square bracket. The lists are always represented inside the square bracket within the and the elements inside them. Use square brackets to define a list and use separate elements with commas. For example, my list is equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3. Learning to create list effectively is the first step in mastering the data types. And the other example for list is here a is equals to 1 comma 17 comma 5 comma 12 comma 34. Here a is representing the list name and it is represented within the square brackets and the elements are separated with the commas. Accessing the list elements. Accessing the list elements means we are numbering the list and we are accessed. For example, list is equals to 1 2 3. We want 1. For that we are accessing using indexing. Remember that the indexing typically starts with 0. For example, my list of 0 retrieves the first element. It means my list is equals to 1 2 3. Then my list of 0 means it retrieves the first element, that is 1. Then my list of 1 means it retrieves the second element 2. Then my list of 2 means it retrieves the element 3. In the same way, if we can give minus numbers also negative, for example, my list of minus 1, it means it takes the numbers from the last. My list is equals to 1 2 3. Then my list of minus 1 means it gives 0, so lost 3. Then understanding indexing is essential for manipulating data within the list effectively. Then modifying list. There are several methods to modify the list according to a list. List can be modified using several methods such as append, remove, insert, pop, reverse, sort, count, index, etc. Making or using these will help you to highly adaptable for different scenarios in programming. For example, append, mylist.append, it helps to add an element at the end. Mylist.remove, it will remove the element. Mylist.insert means it inserts an element where we can want. Mylist.reverse means it reverses the list in the opposite order. My list of sort means it sorts. My list of count, it refers to it counts the length or number of elements present in the list. And my list of index means it gives indexing as we have studied earlier. Next, iterating through list. Iterating through a list is crucial for performing operations on each element using loops such as for or while to transverse list. Using iterating through list, such as we know that loops, there are many loops like for, while, and loop. In for using for and while loop, we can iterate the list. This technique is fundamental for processing data and implement algorithm effectively. Next, what are the advanced techniques we use in the list? Mastering list involves advanced techniques such as list compressing and slicing. Here, slicing means cutting the list or slicing the elements. These methods enhances your ability to manipulate a list effectively and consequently allowing for cleaner and more readable code. Next, conclusion. In conclusion, mastering the list data type is essential for effective programming. By understanding how to create, access, modify, and iterate through list, you can significantly improve your coding skills and data management techniques. Thank you.